Sys concepts at yellowside.com. Okay, this is the gt10x. Putting this turn together. Okay, you put these pieces in there. This there. You put the spring on there. Right there. So those pieces go together. You get this other round piece that has a notch in it. You put this down on that. How the notch goes together. Put that in there. Like that. Put that in there. And you get this and you put it on the servo. Get this, put it on the servo like this. Then you put the screw in there, hold it. Then this is what you do: is you get the posts. You put the posts in these two holes right here. Those holes. That's where the servo posts go. Anyway, so when you put this together, then this mounts in between the two posts. Actually, it's more like this. This goes on here like this, and then this arm here would go onto this. I'm doing it one-handed. This arm would go on there, and this would go onto the servo. That's what we can see like that.